Hello guys, welcome back to Ashira Academy. Here marks the second month of our students here. This month we decided to make an African wear for him, and he did it by himself. He can come and show you how he did these things magically in 2 months.
Okay. First, I started with the trouser. Here's the trouser. Here's the trouser. I started putting the fly, and then we came up the waistband. Then the back part with one piping. Then we put the loops. Yeah, and then we iron.
Here is a shirt. It is a mixture of a ribbon fabric and a kitenge. This is how it looks like. Yes, so he's going to wear, and you'll see how he looks like inside this African wear. Okay. Tutaingia tu wear. Here is our school. This is how it looks like. Welcome to Ashira's design. Here is our academy. Yes, that's our academy, our small fashion design academy. Location Prestige Mall. Yeah.